All right, well, this time tomorrow, Knoxville's first German Fest will be underway with, of course, all things German, from food to beer and music. Tickets are just $2. What a bargain. So the question is, what does that really get you? And Carter Meisner is here now from the First Lutheran Church and School. Thank you so much for coming in, Carter.
Sure, thank you for having me.
First ever German Fest here for Knoxville. What can we expect tomorrow?
Well, it's a celebration of our German heritage. So we have traditional German food and drink, and then we also have some American options if you're not exactly into that. We also have lots of German art and music, and then plenty of traditional games for the kids, along with lots of other events.
And you were saying even a new restaurant is kind of debuting tomorrow night at your event, right?
Yes, that's right. Grujo's German restaurant, opening in Powell, is actually going to be debuting for the first time officially as Grujo's at the German Fest tomorrow.
That'll be wonderful. And tell people who are not really familiar with German cuisine, what kind of things can they expect down there tomorrow?
Well, the most traditional German things, and what we're having a lot, is traditional German street food, but you've got currywurst, which is sort of a sausage mixed with an Indian flair. You've got a fried pork dish. You have several different casseroles, and they're also bringing some German desserts out there as well.
And all of this goes back to benefit the school there, and what a wonderful cause. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So all of the benefits actually are going to some to the school repairs, and then others to scholarships for the school.
Wonderful program, and of course it's going to be an active day out there. We appreciate it, and I'm sure we will be out there as well tomorrow.
Yeah, absolutely. We're looking forward to it.
All right, thank you so much, Carter. Appreciate it. Again, everyone, German Fest is tomorrow from 3 o'clock until 9 at First Lutheran Church and School in North Knoxville, right across from our studios. Again, tickets are just $2. Go by and help them out and have a good time. And of course, on this and so many other activities going on this weekend, you can always find that information on our website at WATE.com. Just click on the As Seen on 6 tab at the top of our homepage.